a sign of dignity, taking action to develop the students.
Hi there, nice to meet you. This is Mafi, and today I am going to tell a ghost story. What is happened in my life? That when I was only 4, I lived with my mother in a quarter. My friend and me decided to. There was a old building. There was a old building, so I and my friends decided to go top floor of that building for kiting. When we reaching the last floor, then we say there was a black shadow was moving here and there. So we are both affrighted, and we are sharing with fear. That was not accepted to me. So I was senseless, and when I eyes open, then I see that I was on my bed, and my friend received me and submit my family. That was very scary and exciting story on my life. No more today. Next time I will tell you a very tragic story. Hope to see you next, and see you. Bye bye.